Just stopped to pick up gas. Hello, welcome back to another episode of Initial Speed. I'm your host, Phil. Today's episode, well, let me just show you. I got a stone chip here, and I knew that I needed to replace the windshield because it cracked up, and then I don't know if you can see that line there. Kind of goes right across. I knew I needed to replace the windshield. As the winter went on, it stayed pretty much the same. I think maybe it grew another maybe ½ inch. First nice warm day, yeah, you can see it. So in order not to get a fine, I'm going to replace the windshield today. I just wish that I had gotten up earlier to wash the car. So come with me as I go get gas and rush off to get the windshield cleaned. I don't know if you can see this one. Got some more shirts, guys. Interested? Let us know in the comments below. Just stopped to pick up gas. Let's see if you guys, what are your guys' gas prices where you are? Let me show you what ours are. Isn't that crazy? And I mean, this is a good day. On a bad day, price-wise for us, it's ridiculous. It's like $2.30. So made it to, call it 5 minutes late. That's the name of the place. And now we wait. I don't think they're gonna let me record. They're pretty busy inside, so we'll just get it done and move on. What I didn't explain to you was that the windshield had chipped, and that day that it had warmed up, it moved maybe about 4 inches, and then by the time I got back to the car, I went into a store. By the time I came back out, it had spread an additional 2-3 inches, and now you can see how far it goes. So in order not to get harassed by the 5-0, we'll get it fixed. And just like that, the windshield is fixed. Wow, I can see. I'll show you. Look at that. You can see through the windshield, no crack, no chip. It looks great. Thanks, Woodchester Auto Glass. All right, so back home and get some other things done. I hopefully will see some nice cars on the way back. I am in Mississauga. Let's see what other cars we can find. What nice cars we can find. Nice Golf R. Little Bentley action. Z06 action. And home. Not a eventful video, but these are the things that happen. In a moment I'll get out and show you the windshield from the outside. I just wish that I had washed the car before they did the windshield. Yeah, I'm picky with my things, I know. Another warm day. So again, thank you for watching Initial Speed. If you have any questions down below, write them up. Let's hear them, see if we can answer some of them. The other thing is gas prices. Tell me where you're from, what state or what city, province, country, whatever you're in, and tell me your gas prices. Are they just as bad or worse? Man, I really hope not worse. And there was one more thing, and I don't remember. Oh well, till next time.